We are from ScoreUp. We are here to make your studies more easier and interesting. Watch our tips and tricks motivational videos for getting full marks in biology. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification. You can ask doubt in comment section and also join our Telegram group. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This video definitely helps you, so watch this video till the end. Crop plant grown in monoculture or low in yield, free from intra-specific competition, characterized by poor root system, highly prone to pest. Answer is highly prone to pests. So answer D. In order to obtain virus-free plants through tissue culture, the best method is protoplast culture, embryo risk, anther culture, meristem culture. The answer is meristem culture. Answer is meristem culture. Answer D. Which one of the following statement is correct? At present, it is not possible to grow maize without chemical fertilizers. Extensive use of chemical fertilizers may lead to eutrophication of nearby water bodies. Both Acetobacter and Rhizobium fix atmospheric nitrogen in root nodules of plants. Cyanobacteria such as Anabaena and Nostoc are important mobilizer of phosphate and potassium for nutrient in soil. So the answer is B. So extensive use of chemical fertilizer may lead to eutrophication of nearby water bodies. This is correct answer. Soma clones are obtained by genetic engineering, tissue culture, plant breeding, irradiation. So the answer is B. Tissue culture. Soma clone. Tissue culture la da அந்த செல்ல வந்து நியூட்ரியன் மீடியத்தில் வரும்போது நிறைய செல்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் சோமக்ளோன்ஸ்னு பேர். ஸோ ஆன்சர் பி. Here, breeding of crops with high levels of minerals, vitamins and proteins is called biomagnification, micropropagation, somatic hybridization, biofortification. So the answer is biofortification. Biofortification la dhaan pathina minerals high levels வந்து breeding வந்து crops-க்கு வந்து என்னன்னா high level of minerals, vitamins, proteins எல்லாம் இருக்கு. அந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு பேரு பயோஃபார்டிஃபிகேஷன். Jaya and Ratna developed for green revolution in India the varieties of maize, rice, wheat, bajrava. So it is for rice. Jaya and Ratna is for rice. Answer is B. Hemigre developed by hybridization and selection for disease resistance against rust pathogens is a variety of chili, maize, sugarcane and wheat. Answer is D. So it is for wheat. A collection of plants and seeds having diverse alleles of all the genes of a crop is called herbarium, germplasm, germ library and genome. See, the diverse alleles are present of all genes of a crop is called germplasm. Answer is B. Which one of the following is a case of wrong matching? Wrong matching கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Micropropagation, in vitro production of large numbers, callous unorganized mass of cells, இதுவும் correct தான். Somatic hybridization, fusion of two diverse cells. Vector DNA site for tRNA synthesis. No, this is wrong. So here we have to pick out wrong matching. So here this one is wrong matching. Answer is D. Which part would be more suitable for raising virus-free plants micropropagation? Meristem, node, bark, vascular tissue. So micropropagation utilize another meristematic cells. So meristem. Green Revolution in India occurred during 80s, 60s, 50s. So it is in 60s. Answer C. In plant breeding program, the entire collection having all diverse cells of the genes crop is called germplasm. இப்பதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம் அது. So it is germplasm. Answer A. To obtain virus-free healthy plants from diseased one by tissue culture technique, which part of the diseased plant will be taken? Apical meristem, palisade parenchyma, both apical and axillary meristem, epidermis only. So it is taken only apical meristem alone. So answer is A. A technique of micropropagation is somatic embryogenesis, protoplast fusion, then embryo rescue, somatic hybridization. So it is, answer is somatic embryogenesis. Which of the following enhances induces fusion of protoplast? Polyethylene glycol, sodium nitrate, IAA, kinetin, IAA and gibberellin, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Answer is A. Polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate, which induces fusion of protoplast. Protoplasmic fusion la polyethylene glycolum sodium nitrate use பண்ணுவாங்க. Protoplast is a cell. A protoplast is a cell without cell wall, without plasma membrane, without nucleus, undergoing division. See, this is cell wall. Cell wall குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும்? Plasma membrane இருக்கும். So இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற அத்தனை செல்லும். So cell wall, that is cell. Protoplast is nothing but cell minus cell wall. செல்லுல இருக்கக்கூடிய செல் வாலை தவிர்த்து மீதி இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் புரோட்டோபிளாஸ்ட்னு பேரு. ஸோ ஆன்சர் ஏ. ஸோ ஒக்காரா, பியூசா ஸ்வானி, தென் wheat, himigri, cowpea is Pusa komal. Then rapeseed is Pusa gaurav. So this is the option. So here this one is 1, this one is 4, wheat is 3, this one is 2 and this one is 1. இந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஷன் எந்த இதில் இருக்கு பாரு, 4ல ஆரம்பிக்கிற ஆப்ஷன். So this is correct. So answer is A. Homozygous pure line in cattle can be obtained by mating of unrelated individuals of same breed, mating of individuals of different breed, mating of individuals of different species, mating of related individuals of same breed. So answer is D. Thank you students. Tomorrow வேற ஒரு வீடியோல மீட் பண்ணுவோம். Thank you.